This video will demonstrate on how the DGN Merger tool works. The tool was mainly created for taking a DGN file and bringing it into a spatial editor program that RightAway has, but you can use it for other purposes if you need to do that. Basically what the DGN Merger tool does is it takes whatever that's in the file being displayed at that time and it copies all that data into the active file. So if you have reference files that are displayed, it merges all those reference files in. If you have reference files that are not displayed, it actually detaches those. And then another thing that it does is it takes all the complex nature of all the geometry in the file and simplifies it. So if you have cells that are all grouped together, it kind of breaks all those apart and so forth. So whenever they take it over from MicroStation into the spatial editor, it'll display properly. Now in this file here we have our master plan file that has all the RightAway data that RightAway wants and so forth, so you turn off and on the levels that you want to display or undisplay your reference files and whatnot. And the next thing that we're going to do is actually create a separate file because we don't want to mess up our master plan file that we currently have. So I'm going to go ahead and do a file, save as. I'll do the no wizard and then project wise. Figure out where you want to save it to for the folder. The name, I'm going to go ahead and name it properly so RightAway knows what job it is and also the projection factor for the project. So it'll be job number underscore RW for RightAway underscore and then whatever the projection factor is. Once I have that job number, RightAway job number put in, like what I have in the name, I'm going to simply go through there and copy that and put it into the file name. Description, that's optional of course, I'll just leave it blank for this example. Once I have that, I'll go ahead and save it. I'll check the previous file in. Once I'm in this file, now I can come in here and use the DGN Merger tool. And I'll just delete this geometry that's not needed. And as you see here, if I go to my reference dialog box, we see that we have some reference files that are displayed, and you'll see those go away here in a little bit because it's actually going to copy that data actively in the file. So whenever they bring it over into their spatial editor program, it knows what it is and how to display it. Use the DGN Merger tool. Just go to the Mode pull down and go to DGN Merger. You will get this dialog box that says warning, running this VBA will merge all actively displayed reference files and drop the complex nature of all cells in the file. Do you wish to continue? Of course, we're going to go ahead and click on OK. And say you have 6 selected reference files to merge. Click on OK to that. And what it's doing right now is taking all those reference files, copying that data actively inside the file. Once that's completed, you're finished. Everything's copied into the file. If you go to the reference dialog box, you'll see everything's copied in. And also all the complex nature of all the cells has been dropped. So now you can take this file and send it to whomever, or for this purpose, we'd send this to the RightAway division, and then they can put it into their spatial editor program and they can do with it whatever they need to. So that's basically how the DGN Merger tool works. Basically it just takes everything that's in the file, whether it's referenced in, levels turned on, and so forth, and copies it actively inside the file.